Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to the second part of my streamlit video tutorial series. So in this video I am going to show you how can you use st.write function. Okay, so if you don't know how to run a streamlit app in Google Colab, please watch my first tutorial. The whole playlist link will be in the description, and after watching that come to this video. Hope it will help you. So first of all, what will we need to do? We have to just import streamlit as st, then st dot write, anything you can write here. Good. Okay, refresh it. My web app is already running actually, so you can see we have got snake in code. That is my channel's name, and if you are new to my channel, make sure that you have subscribed, please. Okay guys, you can write anything here, st dot in this st dot write. Okay, now if you want to write more than one word or one line, what will you need to do? You have to just simply pass triple colon. Okay, now let's say we want to learn about Elon Musk. Just paste it here. You have to be careful about this indentation. Okay, now if we go to our app and refresh, you can see we have got a whole paragraph. I think we need to make this Elon Musk markdown. So what will you need to do? Just give underscore. Yeah, you can see Elon Musk. Let's refresh and you can see the change. Okay, let me zoom in. You can see the change. Let's say we want to make this one. Okay, simply do this thing, go to our app and refresh. Okay, you can see the changes. Okay, this is called markdown. Now let's do something interesting. So what will we do? We want to make a data frame. Okay, pandas data frame. We will make columns and rows. We take rows. So for that, let me import pandas. We are importing pandas as pd. Okay, now we have to create data frame actually. Okay, let's call it data frame. In the data frame we have to call pd dot data frame. Okay, so first column I want to take names. In the names I have to pass some names. Let's take snake, my name Darun 9. Okay, I want to make two column actually. In the second column, the column name will be id. In the column name I just want to pass the IDs. Let's say for a snake that will be 40, and for Darun for, and okay, so 3 values for the 3 names. Now if you go to our app and just refresh it, we have made a mistake. We haven't called the data frame actually. So what will you need to do? st dot write. In the write you have to pass the data frame that we made. Now if you go to our app and just refresh it. You can see we have made a column actually. Sorry, not a column. We have made 3 columns. These are the indexing. These are automatically, and for the values we have got the values actually. Now here are some problems. If you don't pass actual value or mm, pass the value for the or of any element, it will give you error. Okay, the error is array must be same length. Okay guys, so we have to give each and every value. And one more thing, if you give more values, it will also give you error. Let's run it. All array must be same, so you have to be careful while making these columns. One interesting thing also I can show you, if you put 0 before any number, it will automatically give you error and the program will not run. So you have to be careful here also. Okay guys, you can actually reduce these codes by doing this. What will you need to do? You have to just write st dot write, and you have to pass all these into first bracket. Okay, now if you run this, refresh this, actually you can see we have got the same output. You can also download it from here. Just you have to need to click on this and you can see the format is CSV. Okay, let me change the name. Let me call it as demo and just save it. And if you open this, you will get actually a CSV file. You can see here. So this is really helpful for us. So this is how you can use the st.write function actually guys. So it is not over yet. In the second video, in the upcoming video, I will show some more functionalities of st.write function. So this is all for today. Please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel if you are new, and if you want to learn more about streamlit, you can follow the playlist. I will give that in the description, and the whole code will be in the GitHub, and I will share the link with you guys. So thank you for watching guys.